This is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add song to your Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You may already know how to add music to your reels and stories, but did you know that you can now add music to your Instagram post? Instagram recently announced the feature which gives brands or creators one more way to engage their followers. Whether you want to share your favorite songs, document your memes, or create a specific vibe for your photo, adding music will make your Instagram feed post that much better. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can uh, tap on the icon here, plus icon here, like if you want to post some posts to your Instagram. Now you can choose photo that you want to post to your Instagram. As example, I will choose this photo. Now you can tap on next, or you can edit it first. So here's where you can add music or song to your post. As you can see, there is an option add music. You can see like tag people, add collaborators, and add music. Now you can tap on add music to add songs to your post. You can choose what song that you want to add. You can choose, as example, I will just choose this. You can choose where the song you want to start the song. I will choose this. You can tap on the upper right corner here. You can add captions. Okay, and you can share. So let's see. Now, whenever anyone see your Instagram post, they can hear the song from your post here, like this, like this. So your post on Instagram stand out. So that is how to add song to your Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.